everyone, we are here live at the Chicago Fishing, Travel and Outdoor Expo. There's a little bit of everything here, kind of a long name for an expo, but a really fun day. One of the greatest things about being at expos is actually finding new products, and this is a new one to me. So we're here with Caleb from Buzbe, and tell us what you have here.
Yeah, so we have the brand new Buzbe Colony 28. It's a brand new tackle box. So pretty much you can customize the inside however you want. So these internals actually snap out. So they go both vertical and horizontal. So you can customize them however you want. You just press them in, they lock into place. When you buy the box, it actually comes with the set layout right here. So you can see you get a little bit of every size. If you like one size more than another, for example this size, you buy an extra pack of the internals and then drop them in. What most people do is they'll actually buy multiple boxes and mix and match. So you can see they both look the exact same, but in a couple seconds you can pop these out, bring them over here, take these out, drop them over here, and now you have two completely custom layouts off of simply mixing and matching them. A lot of people really like these bins because with the other boxes you have these dividers. So little pieces always go underneath or they go over the top. With this it's a bin, so it's impossible to go underneath, but then we also added these baffles in the lid here, so it creates a seal on the top as well. So nothing's going to go from one bin to another. So for example, we can take this box over here, that we have a bunch of little small split rings and swivels and such. And we actually close this box up, turn it upside down, flip it up, and then when you open this box back up, you don't have to worry about anything transferring. Everything's in the exact same spot.
But really take a minute to notice that, because if that happens in my tackle box and then all of a sudden you're sitting sorting through all of your tiny little hooks and your split rings and all of that, so to have the ability of it to stay organized no matter how you're throwing it into your tackle bags, that is a really great feature. The other thing that you had mentioned to us is that there is, in the boxes it helps protect from rusting.
Yeah, so all the internals also have a vapor corrosion inhibitor molded into all the internal bins. So there's actually it'll actually coat all your plastics. So it's going to help prevent rust. The box itself is also super durable. So for example, the lid is made from the same material as bulletproof glass. It has a UV additive, so it's going to stay clear. It's not going to yellow or fade over time. It's also got a waterproof and airtight gasket as well. So you're going to be able to keep water out, keep all your stuff from rusting. The hinges are completely over-engineered, made from 316 stainless steel, and then also the lashers are made from 316 stainless steel as well. The boxes also stack on top of each other. So let's say you have 4 or 5 of them, you're bringing them out to your truck and you're trying to carry them, they'll be slipping and sliding all over the place, so now you don't have to worry about that. And also they have a security locking hole. So the same like cable lock that you use for like a Yeti ice chest or something, you can actually run through these and lock it down to secure all your tackle.
That's really awesome. So especially if you're a tournament angler, if you are at a resort and you're leaving your stuff in your boat, having the ability to protect your tackle, not just in the box, but as a whole set itself is a really cool feature. So for people who are at the show today, come down to Schaumburg, come to the expo, come and see these in person, because really an awesome new kind of box that really will help with organization. For people who are not here today, how do they find you?
Yeah, so it's just buzbe.com. So you just jump on our website, and you go to buzbe.com, and everything's available on the website.
Awesome. So either come down here to check them out, or we'll see you on the water.